A very good morning to all my students. This is our e-class for general awareness subject, and in today's class we need a general awareness book, World Around Me, our general awareness notebook along with your pencil and eraser. So firstly, keep all these things together so that we can start the class. Now open your book. Students, in our last class we have learned about our national festivals and young citizens. Today we are going to do some new topics. Similar to national festivals, we have some other festivals that we celebrate with our family. So today we are going to learn about some festival. Let's just begin with Holi and Raksha Bandhan. But before that, write down date in the date box. What's the date today? Today is 8/2/2021. So firstly, write down date. Holi and Raksha Bandhan. We used to celebrate Holi and Raksha Bandhan every year, aren't we? So, do you know what do we do in Holi? कैसे celebrate करते हैं हम Holi? Look, there are so many colors because Holi is the festival of colors. Holi is the festival of colors. We meet our family and friends and we play with colors. Holi is the festival of colors and sweets. Family and friend we all meet. With special colors each one we greet. होली के फेस्टिवल में हम सारे फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली मेंबर से मिलते हैं, हम एक दूसरे को कलर्स लगाते हैं एंड स्वीट्स खाते हैं. दिस इज हाउ वी सेलिब्रेट होली. डू यू सेलिब्रेट होली इन द सेम वे और यू डू समथिंग डिफरेंट? आफ्टर होली वी विल नो अबाउट रक्षा बंधन. Do you celebrate Raksha Bandhan? And what do we do in this day? Look, what's this? This is a beautiful Rakhi. The Raksha Bandhan is all about this Rakhi. You know, Raksha Bandhan is the festival of brother and sisters. It shows the love of It shows the love between brother and sisters. In this day, sister tie Rakhi on brother's wrist. Let's just read about it. A special festival for brothers and for sisters too. Sisters tie a Rakhi and brothers give them a gift so new. So, as I told you, that sisters tie a Rakhi on brother's wrist and brother give some gifts to the sisters. So, this is the festival for brothers and sisters. In this page, we have learned about the festival Holi and Raksha Bandhan. Now, turn the page to know about some other festivals. Here, we have pictures related to Onam and Diwali. Let's just begin with Onam. Onam आपने सेलिब्रेट नहीं किया होगा because हमारे यहाँ पे ओनम इतने अच्छे से सेलिब्रेट नहीं होता. But do you know how to celebrate Onam? Onam brings with it sweet to eat. So many dishes, oh what a treat! Boat races and flower decoration on the ground. Tiger dance and music all around. Onam brings with it sweet to eat. So many dishes, oh what a treat. ओनम में भी हम बहुत सारे स्वीट्स खाते हैं. ओनम में बोट रेसेस होती हैं और फ्लावर डेकोरेशन होता है. लुक, एंड इसमें भी हम खूब सारे डांसेस होते हैं, म्यूजिक्स होती हैं. सो इट्स सो मच फन टू सेलिब्रेट ओनम. Now, next up we have a picture of Diya, and it is related to the festival Diwali. So, what do we do in Diwali? We light candles and diyas, and we eat so many sweets. We wear new dresses. Am I right? Diwali is the festival of light. We see lamps and sparkles so bright. क्या होता है दिवाली में? हम खूब सारी लैम्प्स लगाते हैं ना, कैंडल्स एंड दियाज, और उसके बाद हम न्यू न्यू ड्रेसेस भी पहनते हैं, और कुछ लोग बहुत ज्यादा क्रैकर बर्न करते हैं. दिस इज नॉट गुड टू बर्न अ क्रैकर. आप लोग क्रैकर बर्न नहीं करना दिवाली में, ओके? So this was about Onam and Diwali. Next up we have Eid. Which festival is this? Eid. We celebrate Eid after the 30 days fasting called Ramzan. And on Eid, we hug each other, we eat sweets named Semaiya. Actually, there is a special kind of sweet which is called Semaiya. Children also get Eid to their elders. On Eid, we all hug and meet. Sweets and Semaiya become the special treat. हम क्या करते हैं? एक दूसरे को हग करते हैं, एक दूसरे से मिलते हैं, सेवैयाँ खाते हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा fun. This is how we celebrate Eid. And here, this is a work to you that you have to color this picture, okay? Now, turn the page for next festival, which is Christmas. Who is he? He is Santa Claus. And what is it? This is a Christmas tree. And there are some gifts that Santa Claus has bought. So, why do we celebrate Christmas? Christmas celebrates the birth of Jesus Christ. Let's decorate the Christmas tree. Santa has gifts for you and me. So, Christmas is celebrated every year on 25th December. And look, there is a picture of Christmas tree. So, you have to color it and then paste some stickers. Here we have some stickers of gift. So, take out from this place and paste them in this Christmas tree. Okay, firstly color and then paste the sticker. This is your homework. Now, after Christmas, we will discuss about the next festival, which is Guru Parv. This is a festival which is celebrated on the birthday of Sri Guru Nanak Dev. On this day, people visit Gurudwara and there are free langars. It means people serve free food to everyone. Guru Parv celebrate the birth of Sri Guru Nanak Dev. People share sweets, serve free food at langars and help each other. Now there is an exercise. I can match the things I see with the festivals. Here we have some things and here we have picture of the festival. So let's just match these items which are related to the festival. So the first one is Diya, and here we have picture of Eid, picture of Holi and picture of Diwali. Now tell me, the Diya is associated with Diwali. So let's just match it with Diwali. Yeah. Next up we have moon and star. Moon and star is related with Eid. Why? Because we celebrate Eid after seeing the moon. The next up we have, this is a picture of water gun. हाँ, इसको आप पिचकारी बोलते हैं और this is called water gun. Okay? And water gun is related to Holi festival because in this we fill colors and then we pour it on each other. Let's just have a quick revision to all the festival we have discussed. So first up we have Holi and Raksha Bandhan. Holi is the festival of colors. On this day we meet our family and friends with. Then the next festival is Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a festival of all the brother and sisters. On this day, brother tie a rakhi on, sisters tie a rakhi on brother's hand. जो सिस्टर्स होती हैं वो भाई की रिस्ट में क्या करती हैं, राखी बांधती हैं, और बदले में जो ब्रदर्स होते हैं वो क्या देते हैं, गिफ्ट्स देते हैं सिस्टर्स को. ओके, देन we have discussed about Onam and Diwali. On Onam, people eat sweets and so many dishes. People decorate their houses with flower rangoli and diyas, and there are boat competition and so much fun with dance and music. On Diwali, people decorate their house with diyas and candles. People eat sweets and worship goddess Lakshmi and god Ganesha. On Eid, people hug each other, people meet each other and eat a special kind of sweet which is called Semaiya. After Eid, we have Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December on the birthday of Jesus Christ. On this day, people decorate people decorate Christmas tree. The next up we have Guru Parv. Guru Parv is celebrated on the birthday of Sri Guru Nanak Dev. On this day, people eat langar and share sweets. We have some other festivals which are not included here as Dashahara, Navratri and so many. We all like to celebrate festivals, am I right? Because on festivals we wear new clothes, we get so many sweets to eat, and we have so much fun with our family and with our friends. So festivals brings joy and happiness. So we should celebrate it with full of enthusiasm. So this was the first part of today's video in which we have discussed about some festivals. कौन कौन से फेस्टिवल के बारे में हमने पढ़ा? होली. होली is the festival of colors. Then Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is related to Rakhi, in which sisters tie a Rakhi on brother's hand. And then we have also discussed about Onam, Diwali, Christmas, Eid and Guru Parva. तो आपको इन सारे फेस्टिवल्स के बारे में घर में और भी डिस्कस करना है कि आपके घर में कौन कौन सी स्वीट्स बनती हैं इन फेस्टिवल्स पे, आप कौन कौन से फेस्टिवल्स सेलिब्रेट करते हो. ओके, एंड you have to do all the exercises like this matching one. Color the picture of Christmas tree and then decorate with the stickers. Color the picture of Eid and you can also add some decorations like अगर आपके पास stars हैं तो आप उसको paste कर सकते हैं. And then trace the picture of diya and then color it. And here color the picture of Rakhi as well. So this is your homework to complete the worksheets, and we will meet in the second part of today's video in which we'll do a story. So good day, meet you in the second part. Goodbye.